Hi, this is Martin Johnson. We're here with another Sherpa Short. I'm in Austin Reliability Labs, ARL, which is one of our companies that does testing. I'm standing here with our hexagon laser scanner, and I wanted to go through a few areas on where this is really helpful when you get into additive manufacturing and 3D printing. So one of the things I'd like to talk about is how a scanner can help you in design. So you've created a CAD file and you've gone to your printer and actually printed the product. So you have to ask yourself two questions. One, did the part print the way it was designed? Is it in tolerances? And the second one is, if it didn't, where are those differences and what do I need to do to go back into the file and make adjustments? Because every single printer will print a product just slightly differently. Temperature, materials, shrinkage, etc. So you have to make some sort of compensation or adjustments for those differences in printers. So one of the things outside of design is just the scanner really helps in quality control. And it helps in two areas. Anyone who's been in additive manufacturing knows that over time, whether through wear or someone bumps the machine or there's been a change in the climate where the machine is located, that the machine can start printing out of tolerances. And by, say it's 6 months between times you printed this product and then you come back and print it again, you print one, you put it under the scanner, and then you compare that back to the original CAD. That will tell you if there have been some sort of changes in the mechanics of the machine that you can go back and adjust to make sure it's printing properly. The second area where it helps is if you're doing production on this and you're running batches of 50, or maybe you've switched or gone to a different supplier of, in this case, a filament, but it could be a resin. Does that resin or filament behave the same way the original did? Sometimes suppliers change formulas without telling you. It will show up when you print this. If you pull every 50 or every 20 products, just quick run under the scanner, compare it to what you originally had or your original print, and you should be able to tell if there's been some change there. So the other application I'd like to talk about is just using it for reverse engineering. There's two real primary uses here. One is for doing competitive analysis, right? Maybe you need to catch up, someone's done something really innovative. It's really quick for you to scan and find out what they were doing and then determine why they were doing that. The other one is to recapture lost knowledge. Maybe your engineer has moved on, the files are gone. You can recapture the part and all the components and then create the new molds very, very quickly and with very little effort. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this interesting, give you some ideas on what you can do with scanning. Next time I'd like to talk about tensile testing your materials, and we'll do that here in the lab again. Until then, this is your Sherpa Short. See you later.